Travis. I'm having a great time, mate. You having a good time in London?
I got my butt kicked out here, but I am impressed on this track. I'm having an awesome time.
London, what about you guys? You having a good time tonight? Yeah! Would you like a little more? This next segment, we're going to light up both ramps. We're going to let everyone go crazy. The rule's pretty simple. When you've had enough, put your hands in your lap, don't clap, don't make a sound, and we'll cut it short. If you wanted to go all night, then make some noise! It is time to light it up and let it fly on. Get loud for the next 5 minutes or else. Brooksy, let it go! Sit there quietly, and that's what you're doing right now, so I assume you've had enough.
That was carnage.
There's only one rule here tonight, folks. The louder you are, the longer we stay out here throwing down. So London, give it up some more! Let's go! Back here, back in your seat. You're only going to need the edge of your seat, trust